Hello everyone. In the last class, we have discussed about how to display the table with subtotal and grand total and headings in the multiple pages like that, right? In today's class, we will discuss a few more things. Actually, yesterday, just we have displayed the data in multiple pages, right? But I want to split the data. The page wise, I want to display single document information like that. Okay, so here also the same way. So how we have done earlier, in the same way we can do that one. So just I'm doing it. This is the main data. I expand this one and select this main data first of all. Go to the pagination. Here a conditional breaks is there, right? So we have to click on edit button and click on plus one. So each page should contain single delivery information, right? So just I am selecting this button and here VBLN. Okay, automatically the data is coming here and here you should go to the next page here, right? So top of next page. Okay, so and one more thing here, leader and trailer. So in the last class we have discussed about this one. If the data is going to next pages, okay, then what is the heading? What is the footer? Header and footer. So in the header, I want the header data. In the footer, I want the subtotal only. Okay, in each page, I want the subtotal. Okay, and grand total will come at the end of the page. That is okay, fine, it will come. That is the normal behavior of that. Execute it. Execute. Click on print preview. Okay, here it is not coming, right? So let me do one more time. So what is going on? Click on main data. Okay, here conditional breaks is 0. It is not applied here actually. So one more time I am doing. Click on place button. So based on VBELN, you should split the data. In the header, I want header data. And the trailer, I want footer data. I mean subtotal. Okay. Now it came here. One conditional breakpoints here. This is for only. Fine. So selecting main data. But here it is conditional breaks is not applying here, right? zero only is showing for main data. Something is happening. 1 minute. This is also floor. Pagination. Correct. Bring you in display. Which is correct. Minute. I will come back. Edit. Change. Main data. So edit. Wait and activate it. Now it is conditional breakpoints is applied here. Now I am executing this one. Now you can see one of 13 is coming. Okay, so the first page, what is the subtotal of this net price? And coming to the next page, second page, the subtotal. On the third page, subtotal. So in the same way, it will come to the all pages. This is the last page, 13 of 13. Subtotal and total is coming here. This is the grand total of the all the pages. Okay, so this is the way to split the data. And if you want 10 lines per page or five lines per page in that way. So whatever we have applied in the last class, in the same thing you can apply here also the formula. Okay, and I have one more nested tables. Okay, in a few cases we have, I mean, clients will ask us need some nested tables like. Okay, so I will show what it is. So here interface. So just opening the jet history here and okay, not jet history. I think so. Think not this one. I have created one more something. Let me open the global data. Here what I'm doing. Get VBAK, get VBAP. What the types? So it is. That is F test two. Okay. Okay. Actually, what I'm doing here, I'm taking one GTVBAK. First of all, I will go to this Z underscore test tree. The interface name is Z underscore test tree. Here I'm taking Z, GTVBAK, GTVBAP, two internal tables I'm taking here. Okay, and if I go to the code, I'm just fetching the data from ZVBAK. Sorry, ZBVAK. This is the custom table I have created because the standard tables data is not available. It is containing something limited data, around 10 records like that. So I'm creating one more custom table here for VBAK and VBAP. So I'm just fetching the data from both tables here. Okay, and so I'm just dragging and dropping this GTVBAK to the context area. And if I expand this one, data is coming fine. Expand this one, fields are coming here. Okay, and GTVBAP, I'm taking one more thing here. Okay, I'm just see this is not the equal hierarchy. This is inside the GTVBAK. Yeah, I will tell what it is. So first of all, execute this one, then you can understand what it is. So execute LP01, click on print preview. So first of all, sales order number, customer number, and document date is coming. So after that one, item information. Okay, item information in the it is dividing like this. Okay, item number 10, material, order quantity, and net value. And how many line items are there? So those all line items will come here. Okay, so next it will go to the next order. Okay, in this block. Okay, in this block, it is containing only the 141 items only. Okay. A few cases, customer may ask like this. So I want the date, I want to display the data in this way. Right. Now, so to get this output, what I have done here. So first of all, I will remove this one first of all. Actually, I'm using here, so that is it will not come here. So I will create one more thing, get test three, right? Get underscore test three. Okay. So first of all, what I'm doing, here GTVBAK is coming. I'm just dragging and dropping to the context area. Fine, it will come. Okay. Then GTVBAP also, but the GTVBAP, I don't want to display in the same hierarchy. I want to display inside the hierarchy. Means just drag and drop here, then we will see how it will come. GTVBAP and GTVBAK both are in same hierarchy under this context. Okay, but I don't want like that. So I want to go inside of this GTVBAK. So just drag it to the inside to the data. Now you can see. So if I collapse this GTVBAK, everything will collapse here because GTVBAK is the inside of this GTVBAK. Okay. Fine. Now here MENDT client field is not required, so I will deactivate it. And here also MENDT not required, deactivate it. And VBELN, right? So this VBELN also not required because the data will come in the header. Okay, it will come in the header, but in the item level not required to display the sales order number once again. So I'm deactivating this one also. And now I want to give one condition here. Okay, so the where condition is coming, just click on here. And now you can create here VBLN. Okay. GTVBAK VBLN. What I'm telling, so it will loop the data, right? The GTVBAK will loop the data first of all. So first record it will take VBLN as the 1, 2, 3, just assume. So it will go to the item data and it will loop only 1, 2, 3 sales order number. If we don't give this condition, then what will happen? Okay, so here 1, 2, 3 the sales document number, but coming to the item information, it will loop how many records are available in this internal table. It will loop all the records, but we don't want in that way. Okay, so whatever the VBLN for that particular VBLN only, I want to display the item data. Oh, I have came here. Sorry. Okay, now data view. So this is the GTVBAK. We can see this one. GTVBAK and these are the fields and the GTVBAP. These are the fields. Directly GTVBAK I'm dragging and dropping to here. Okay, you can see this one. Sales order number, customer, document date, and GTVBAP, and some fields here in under the item. Okay, so customer document date. I don't want this much of content, guys. Structure. Okay, so I will decrease the size for this one. Save it and close it. I will come to this layout. I don't know in this system. This here two options are there. Here one layout and here also one layout. Okay, if I take this one, then the screen is coming in the maximum big size, but I'm not able to drag and drop. I'm not So if features are not working properly, so if I go for this layout, the screen will be small. Then it is coming correct. All the features are working in this. So okay, it's already adjusted. Okay, sorry. So what I thought here, so here the net value is going out of the control. So I thought to decrease the size of this one, but now here it is showing like it is not going out of the box. Okay, some more gap is there, that is fine. Okay, now GTB is not required. I will display it here. Item information. Okay, now activate it. Execute it. See, this is the data. Okay, so this is the sales order number one party, customer number, document date, and 1 to 10, 20, 30. These three are the line items for the document number one party. So this is the nested table concept. And one more thing is, um, so I want to download this PDF actually. So I will execute the program. So in that program, is there any input parameter IVBL is there? Fine. And this is optional only, not mandatory thing. So if I execute this one, what it is? So not this one. Sorry. Whatever it is, whatever the form it is. Okay. So I want to download that PDF form. Once I execute the program, basically we don't execute in this way. Directly, I'm executing here the form level, but in real time, we have to assign this. We have to call this form through the program level, right? So this PDF I want to download in the local system. So this is the form name. So just copying this form name. I will create one custom program here. Mm. Actually, I have discussed the concept in the last class. I'm repeating once again here. So the form name is this one. Fine. So first of all, we have to call the function module. So for the function module, what is the function module here? FP job open. So this is the function module called, first function module. So here it is asking the IE output parameters, but I don't know what is the associated type for this one. Just double clicking on this one. Open job and click on changing parameter. And this is the associated type. Copied it and I will pass here data ls out type. Okay, fine. Okay, and these are the exceptions. I will uncomment it. Ls out. Now we have to pass some data to this ls out parameter here, structure here. Ls out hyphen destination. Okay, is equal to lp01. No dialog equal to approve. Ls out. Delete. Approve. Okay, so we are giving the LP01 while I am executing the form. So I am giving the LP01 and I'm clicking on the print preview. So the same thing I'm giving here. And next one is uh, FP underscore function module name. The form name is, I have copied here. This is the form name. And importing, not required anything here. Sorry. Okay, I need to import the function module which is generating for this form, right? So LV underscore FM. Okay, but LV underscore FM I have declared. So this will come under exporting in a function module name. So I'm just copying the name here. So click on back. So I need to declare it first of all. So LV underscore FM. Now these two things are not required. Function module is enough here. Now I want to call the function module actually, right? So I will go to this form here and I will execute this one. I will execute this one. So it will show the function module here. So this is the way to find out the function module actually. But in the smart form, we have an option here. Okay, something environment function module, something is the environment function module, I think so. But here the function module is not available here. That's why I'm executing the form and I'm getting the function module name. Okay, and click on pattern, calling the function module. Okay, and here I'm copying this LBFM instead of calling this function module directly. I'm just using the LVFM here. Indirectly, it will call the same function module only. And exceptions, I will uncomment here. Okay, and here exporting, we are not exporting anything to this FM as of now because the interface is not containing any importing, exporting parameters. Those are things are not available. So it is empty here. And importing, importing farm output is coming. I will discuss it. But exporting is not required. But I'm just uncommenting this importing part. I will comment later. And once it is okay, then I will call the FB job clause. Fine. And these are the exceptions. I will uncomment it. So wherever you see the exceptions, you can uncomment. Okay, and result is not required. These are not required. Just activate it. Execute the program. See, automatically it is coming here. Okay, automatically it is coming here, but requirement is I want to download it. Okay, I want to download it, but where I have to download? So I want to download it in the local system only. Wait 1 minute. Okay, so this is okay. And now I want to download the data, and I don't want to display the output here. Okay, here preview is coming. Preview means display the preview whatever you're getting. But here I don't want the preview here, so I will pass no preview. Okay, no preview equal to web true X. And one more thing we have to provide here. Mm, get PDF is equal to. Okay, so we want to generate some PDF here. So I'm passing one more option here. Get PDF equal to X to the same function module. Okay. And function module FP job open is okay. And FP function module name is also okay. And here we are calling the function module, right? So here we can import. Okay. So we have to import the PDF what it is generated here. But what type of form it is, we don't know exactly, right? So just I'm executing this one and in the exporting farm output is there. Just copy it. I have copied and I will declare one structure with that associated type. ls pdf type. So whatever we have copied, the same thing, I'm pasting it here. Okay, fine. Now, where I want to save the data, that PDF actually. So we have to give the file location. But in real time, we don't go in this way. We have to give the dynamic file location. Means if I execute this one, then I will select the file location. Okay. So I will click F4 option and I can select the file location, file path where I have to download that PDF actually. So I will create one parameter. First of all, parameters p underscore file type string. Okay. And I want to give the F4 help for this one, right? So our selection screen on value request for p underscore file. Okay. So in this one, F4 help functionality should come here. So for that one, I'm using a function module for underscore file name. Okay. F4 underscore file name is coming here and importing file name to import here by using this function module. Okay, this is the p underscore file. P underscore file. And here we have to uh, check the p underscore file data type and length because we are importing the value here, right? So the same thing only we have to provide here. So in the export tab, file name is coming. So I'm just copying this one. And earlier I have taken string, right? So instead of that one, I'm passing the actual data type and length. Okay, fine. This is okay. Now I'm using some event here at selection screen on value request for. So I have to use start of selection. This is must and should because I'm using one more event here. That's right. So this functionality will work only for selecting the file location in our system. Okay, but I have to download the file in this location. Right? So for that one, so we are importing. Sorry, here I have to provide the file. I mean, part right ls underscore pdf something. Yeah, ls pdf. So this ls pdf I will pass it here. Okay, ls pdf. Right. Now I'm closing this function module. So after this one, I will check here if lspdf is not initial. Okay. Now I will take one variable here. So the PDF will come in the some binary format here. Okay. So I will take that one to one more variable here. I will declare something here. Data lb type x string. Okay. So this is binary format. So I am taking one x string format. Okay, lb is equal to because this is the structure. Okay, it is containing two, three fields here. So but I don't want those all fields. I just want the whatever the PDF is generated, that one only I'm passing to one variable here. ls pdf hyphen pdf. Okay. Now this PDF I have to convert it to some binary format actually. Okay. So sorry, string format to binary format. So for that one, I will use one function module. SCMS string to binary format. Sorry. Uh, Here the lspdf the value is containing in the string format, so I'm converting it to binary format here. Okay, and here so the buffer area it is asking, and it is asking the some tables here, right? So the buffer is nothing but the lvpdf. Okay, lvpdf, and the binary tab is nothing but the, so the data will convert into internal table here. So I will pass ltpdf, and this is the binary search, so I will take BAN here. Okay, the data will convert into binary format here, but we cannot understand this one, but system can understand this one. Okay, so I don't want these all things. But LTPDF bin I did not declare anywhere, right? So I will check it. So in the tables, what is the associated type is there? Just it is nothing is there. Okay, so binary type is nothing is there. So I have just verified this one. So if you double click on this one, SOLAX tab here, so it is showing one more line here. So if you double click on this one, just it is showing the raw data. Okay, raw data means uh, like binary format. We cannot understand. I will check in the debugging level, then you can see. Okay, so the data, whatever the data is available in this internal table, we cannot read it properly. Okay, unreadable format. Now I will download this one. Okay, this LTPDF bin is okay. Now I want to download it. Okay, where I have to download it? I already declared the parameter p underscore file, right? The file name is coming into this p underscore file. Now I will download it. Uh, GUI download. Okay. So in the GUI download, we have to pass the file name and the file whatever. So here table is coming. So this table is nothing but so whatever we are getting the data, this LTPDF bin. So we have to pass this internal table to this data table. Okay. And exceptions are coming. Exceptions I will uncomment. This is the best practice to uncomment the exceptions. Okay, table is okay, and the file name is coming here. And say we just double click on it. So what is the file name here? The data type and length. File name is string here. Okay, so file name is string. So we have to declare one string format, one one variable here. Okay, so LV file location type string. Okay, so here LV file location. So I'm passing the LV file location only here. But the value is not filling here. So what I will do, LV file location is equal to P underscore file. But the P underscore file, the data type and length is different here. Okay, if you see here, the data type and length, the path is coming. The path is character 128. Okay, character 128. So why I am taking this one here? Because I am using this variable in the F4 underscore file name. Okay, in this F4 underscore file name, the data type and length is character 128 only. So that is why I'm declaring in this way. But coming to the GUI download, the parameter data type and length is string only here. So I'm taking one more variable and I'm passing this p underscore file to the LV file location. Okay, otherwise the type conflict will come. So in the checking wise, it will not show any error message, but if I execute the program, then it will go to dump. Okay, so that's why I'm passing in this way. Okay, and bin file size also is available. So for this one, I want to pass the size of file here. Okay, so X. So what I'm passing uh, so the length of this LV PDF I'm directly passing here. Okay, otherwise we have to declare one more variable. And that variable we have to pass it here. Okay, so these are the time waste. So just check it, activate it, and here something file type is there, right? So file type is bin here. So the data is coming the binary format here. So VAN and these all things are not required. So I will close it. Let's activate it. I'm keeping the breakpoint. I will keep breakpoint here or yeah, fine, no issue. Click on execute button. The file location, I will select the desktop folder and the AJF is the folder name. The desktop AJF is the folder name. I will give the file name here. test1.pdf. Okay, click on open. So it is showing like in the desktop, AJF is the folder. In this one, test1.pdf. This is the file name. Okay, so by using this file name, I want to download the PDF. Okay, so click on execute button. FP function module name. So this is the LVFM. Here 123 is coming and here 135 is coming. No issue because uh, the importing exporting function modules will be the same for the things. Okay, here LSPDF is coming. So if you double click on this, here PDF will be there. So if you see the value here, we cannot understand what it is. Okay, so we cannot understand this PDF file actually. So we have to, this is the string format. So we have to convert the binary format first of all. The LV PDF, and I'm converting it to the binary format. So LT PDF bin. This is the internal table. It is containing 390 lines here. So if you double click, if you open this one, so this one also we cannot understand, right? But if I download this file, then we can understand it easily. Okay, so this is the file location. File location is in the desktop, AJF test one, and click on F8. I don't want anything now, so just F8. So click on allow. So we can see here downloaded 97 KB, and the file name is coming here. And if I open the desktop, I have the folder AJF. Here test one is there. If I open it, so this is the PDF. So it is downloading in our local system. Okay, this is the way to download the file or PDF. Now, if you want to download, if you want to pass this data to application server, then here in the same way, we have to download this file. So up to here, okay, up to here we have to do the same thing. And instead of the downloading the file, we have to pass this one to the application server. Open data set, close data set. By using these things, we can pass the data to application server. Okay, and if you want to pass this one to spool, so up to here the same thing only. Okay, up to here the same thing only. So once we get this data into LT bin, LT PDF bin, okay, the data is coming here. The binary format data is coming here. After getting the data, we can pass that one to the spool. Okay, we have to write the extra logic for that. Or if you want to send any mail functionality in the same way we have to do here. Because I am not discussing about these all things because uh, we already know about those things. And if you don't know, you can Google it. You can get the sample data for that one. Okay, so that's why I'm not repeating it here. So fine. And in the next class, I will uh, discuss about one more requirement actually. Okay. Actually, I have to discuss that one today only, but I did not prepare actually the requirement actually. So I have to show the requirement first of all, then only I have to go for the uh, coding part, building part. Okay. So mostly I will try in the next class. Okay, then bye. Jai Hind.